Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Solution here. JJRC Q46 against rocks. Let's see how it goes and see how it can handle these rocks. Running at high speed. Just now I was playing here with the 6-wheel drive and that thing is simply amazing. Let's see how 4-wheel drive handles. This one is a little jumpy because it has very boing type of springs on the shocks. Just to test how well JJRC Q46 will be for RC trailing if we had with the system, if we had the FPV system installed on it, and that's what I wanted to see. It's handling very well, but can it climb this wall? 6-wheel drive did. Failed attempt. Attempt number 2. I believe it will. You just have to hit it the right way. That was nice. I wish I was running 120 frames per second. Alright, let's attempt again. That's very steep basically. Let's attempt here. It seems like the differentials are truly like a 4-wheel drive. You can do it. Alright, failed again. Let's hit it the other way. Not good. I'm just trying to attempt this place and almost did it. Come on, JJRC. Yes, yes, yes! It did it. Awesome, man. So it does have a good 4-wheel drive system. It's just that the shocks are very, very bumpy, jumpy. If we could do something about those shocks, this would have been really nice. So basically, it's all about how you drive, how you hit your challenge. Awesome. Sweet, man. Now, this was the place that 6-wheel drive did it without getting stuck. Let's see. If 4-wheel drive, let's see if 4-wheel drive can do it or not. No, so that is the limitations on 4-wheel drive. Once you hit the bottom, you are turtles. So we did it the other way. There's always a way to do things. Obviously, This is only for 6-wheel drives. Obviously this is only for 6-wheel drives. Okay, we'll go the other way around. There's always a way around. I told you, there's always a way around. Now to go up there, we have to hit this wall. It seems like the differentials are actually leaving some places. They don't actually quite work that good. See, only one wheel is spinning on the front, but again, it's the matter of how you hit the challenge. But again, it's the matter of how you hit the challenge. And we are successful. Man, amazing place. Man, this is amazing place I found for RC trailing. With FPV, of course, see? We have 2 trucks. One is this, one 6-wheel drive, and we just go RC trailing, following each other with FPV. That would be sweet, man. I don't know where this trail leads, but it's simply gonna be awesome to drive here together. So it's time I actually set FPV on JJRC Q46, and also, oh, nice jump, man, and also set FPV on US 6-wheel drive, and that would be fun, man. I will give the truck JJRC Q46 to Arish because he loves this red color. He already told me he wants this truck, and I will get the 6-wheel drive. I will go trailing, man. RC trailing is gonna be fun. Alright, now I'm not gonna hit the stairs. I'm gonna come this way or that way. Nah, this way is fine. Don't want to damage this truck because I want to enjoy some FPV trailing with Arish together, inshallah. Alright, I believe Ari is arriving.